All right, Jelly. Why is Singapore one of the strongest country?
For my opinion, maybe because of the people. You know what? In Indonesia, there are many lazy people. Like, oh, I'm lazy to go to work or something. But in Singapore, the people are more individualistic and more independent, and they are very very busy, and which is
What is the word for that? If they are busy but they do a good job, what is the word for that? They are more. Start with P. More
prominent,
product.
productive.
Yes, they are more
And they are
productive.
more they, they are more productive than people in Indonesia. So
Okay.
maybe that's why the Singapore is the most strongest country.
There is no more stronger. They are
Oh
strong.
yeah, they are stronger
Stronger count.
country.
Three. Okay, good. All right, Vincent. Do you have any plan to go to Singapore?
Uh, Not yet.
Okay, but if you go to Singapore, what will you do there?
Uh, Maybe I will go to Singapore for holiday with my family. In there, maybe the first thing I want to try is eat the Singapore food.
For example.
Example like durian ice cream, maybe like that, or the street food, local food in there.
Okay, and then what else do you want to do?
Mm, Maybe I will go to the tourism places with my family again, and we will have a lot of fun because I think Singapore is have the interesting tourist places in there. And the thing I want to, if I go to Singapore with my family, is try to sleep one night maybe or more in hotel 5-star hotel.
Okay, Lionel, how to make Jakarta to be like Singapore, do you think?
So first we must educate our students, our younger generations.
Can you say our?
Our our younger generations first. We build the moral first and educate them with a better curriculum, so the people have more structured education. And the government must focus on education, not anything else. Before they build law, the people must have a habit to obey the law. If it's not, I think it's just not as efficient as Singapore, because Singapore, you can see Singapore built the younger generation with discipline, and see Singapore has become one of the richest country in Asia. So we must follow Singapore education, and we must focus on our education
Our.
and on our education.
Okay.
Yes. I think that's all from me. Thank you very much.
All right, so Revan, so what do you think about the diversity of food in Singapore?
I think about diversity in Singapore is we in Singapore there are three tribes.
Yes.
They are Indian, Chinese, and
Malay.
Malay. They are have different cultures about the food. So if you go to the Singapore of food. You will meet about maybe 3 food. It's really different about this one is from Indian, but the taste is a lot of it's really the Indian food is have more ingredients than a Chinese food, for example. So when you want to try about the food in Singapore, they have a lot of choice.
They have a lot
They have a lot
of
of
choices.
choices.
Okay, alright. So which one do you prefer then?
I will prefer to China. No. I prefer to Malaysia.
I prefer Malay
Malay
food.
Malay food.
Why?
Because I was try Malaysian food, Malay food.
In past tense, I
I
tried
tried
Malay food and then
and in that time I felt this food is suitable with my
if is in past tense become this food was
this food was suitable with my tongue,
with my
with my
tongue. Okay, good.